Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, There's Always Room For. My name is Kim and today I am reminding you that there's always room for coffee. This is episode 2 of my What the Bleep to Do with all of these Girl Scout cookies series. As you can see, I just can't stop myself from buying Girl Scout cookies from all of my favorite dealers. So this is my attempt to transform those cookies into different treats. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a Thin Mint Frappuccino. It's got coffee, it's got cookies, and if you want, it could even be your upgraded protein shake. Let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up button if you like this. Here's a list of ingredients you'll need. See the description box for modifications and conversions. In the blender jar, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and 2 teaspoons of room temperature water. Stir until fully dissolved. Next, add 1½ cups of milk. You can use whatever milk you like. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, a cup of ice, and then add 4 Girl Scout Thin Mint cookies. If you want to add protein powder, you can add 1 to 2 scoops of vanilla or chocolate protein powder now. Blend on high for 30 seconds or until well combined. Pour into a serving glass. And top with whipped cream. Drizzle some more chocolate sauce on top. And finish it off with another Thin Mint cookie. I also wanted to show you guys, it's been about 5 minutes of filming and the shake has actually settled and there's only about half of the amount of liquid in this container right now. So I know that when we blended it up, it looked like there was so much more of the shake, but it was actually a lot of air that was incorporated in there. So it seems like a lot. It seems like a lot of liquid that you're gonna be drinking, but it actually isn't that much. There's a lot of air that's whipped in. So it's actually 1 serving. It looks like more, but you can divvy it up if you want to. That's a wrap on today's tutorial for my Thin Mint Frappuccino. This was so easy to make, I'm almost embarrassed to call it a recipe, but I love that you can customize this depending on your needs. You can add 1 to 2 scoops of protein powder for added nutrition, or you can even cut out the coffee if you're serving this to kids. Thanks so much for tuning in and following along. My name is Kim, and don't forget, there's always room for coffee. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!